Well, it's Refreshment Thursday again. It's time to have us a beverage. One of our friends over on the Facebook page told me you need to make a ranch water, Texas ranch water. So I looked it up, studied the spell. From my understanding, you need this right here. Oh, Topo Chico, some mineral water. And I'll be honest, I ain't drinking mineral water in probably about 30 years, and I don't know if I'm gonna like a mineral water or not. But with our big old Texas ranch water, evidently you want a good Blanco tequila. So I decided today we'd go a little bit higher cotton. I don't know what the Rock is cooking, but evidently he cooks a little bit of tequila nowadays, and it's got us some Teremana Blanco tequila. Never tried it before. We're gonna see if it's sporty. You need a little lime juice to go in that, and I even had the limes delivered. So we got us a real lime today, and if we don't have enough, we got the old backup in the bottle. And then to top off our fancy drink today, we got a little bit of this, what is it, Tajin or Tajin? This old seasoning, a friend of mine said it's right sporty on a lot of drinks. So we got a little bit of that. And I got the one that's got the classic old with the lime in it. Done fancied it up, got me some of that seasoning in the plate. Look at that, we even rimmed the glass up today. We all kinds of high cotton today. So I reckon we'll get this party started. I reckon we're gonna get us some lime juice in here. Let's get going on a little bit of that. We got a little bit of this real lime juice today. Real is in the lime itself. I don't know if that's gonna be enough, but we do have that real lime in the bottle over there. And I believe we're gonna need a little bit of that. Don't know what the recipe is on this, but you know, we're just gonna make it happen. We got us a new one right here. That old real lime's pretty good. Let's give us a good skeet of that in there. That ought to work. I don't know what we need on the old tequila, but I think we'll just, well, what y'all think? Probably the old 1/3, 2/3 trick. See when we get this new bottle open. Looks like the Rock puts the bottle caps on pretty good, huh? Let's get our old tequila in there. I reckon that'll work. Maybe we're gonna go 50%. Let's take a old whiff of her. That might be pretty sporty. And to finish it off, we need our little Topo Chico. And it looks like we got to get us a bottle opener. Let's get our old Topo Chico opened up. She got a little old fizz to her. Let's put that in there like that. All right. Get our old stirring finger cleaned off, and well, let's give her old spinny Rooney. Mr. Frost wants a drink too. Well, there we go. I say we give her a check. Well, might have had a grunt too much lime juice in that one. That's not too bad right there. It's a little bit different. Honestly say, I don't remember what mineral water tastes like, and I don't know if I'd drink that stuff by itself, but that's not too bad. Let's give her another check. You know what? It's Thanksgiving. Let's try us another one. Grunt less lime juice. We just happen to got us some ice here. Let's get us some ice. And you know what I think I'm gonna do? We're gonna put a little bit of that down in the glass. You can taste the lime in that. Let's do that. Let's give us a shake of that in there. There we go. We'll do just a touch of lime. Still got a little bit in there. And let's see what the Rock says again. Get our old Teremana in there. That's a pretty old smooth tequila right there. You reckon about 50%, that ought to work. Get old Topo Chico back in there. Yeah. Little bubbles. Let's give her old Spinny Rooney with the old stern finger. Let's give her another check. That old seasoning pretty sporty. Well, I can see why they say old Texas ranch water is pretty refreshing. Y'all might want to give that one a try. I believe I'm going to study on this one a little bit more. Might try us another one too. See y'all next time.